Shetiri compound wa ma. Shetiri compound wa. Leave the door. Shetiri bó ṣe já gbogbo security. Shetiri lẹ́kùn bó ṣe já lẹ́kùn. Tán kó phone, laptop, a lot of tó ṣáwọn èèyàn ládàá yẹ́kẹ́yẹ́kẹ́. Ẹ wá wẹ̀jẹ̀, ẹ̀jẹ̀ rẹpẹtẹ. Tí òun ṣe kékeré, tán ṣàwọn èèyàn ti lọ sí hospital nsìn. Shetiri. Ẹ ti rẹ́jẹ̀, wọ́n ṣàwọn èèyàn rẹpẹtẹ, wọ́n níbọn dání, wọ́n lé everything. Shetiri. Are you seeing? You see, it's God that saved us in our compound today. Oh. Plenty people, they are like 30. Speaking Hausa, maybe they are Fulani Hausa, we don't know. You see them? You see, it's a big compound. They rob everybody. They enter the compound, they enter the room one by one. Even the upstairs besides our house, they rob them. They robbed everywhere. They entered the room from back, from front. They robbed everybody. Are you seeing? Are you seeing? They robbed everybody one by one after the other. As you can see, you see?